Craving cinnamon rolls? No time to wait? We have the answer. These magical cinnamon rolls are ready in 30 minutes. Forget complicated recipes. This one uses only 4 ingredients. Yes, you read that right. 4 ingredients to warm, gooey deliciousness. Let's get rolling. Ready for the simplest recipe ever? Here's what you need to make delicious homemade cinnamon rolls in no time at all. First, grab some refrigerated pizza dough. This is our secret ingredient that makes everything so easy and quick. Just unroll it on your countertop. Next, you'll need melted butter. This adds a rich, buttery flavor that makes the rolls irresistible. Stir it well to ensure it's smooth. Then we have ground cinnamon, the star of the show. Sprinkle it generously to get that classic cinnamon roll taste. Finally, don't forget the sugar. This is what gives our rolls that perfect sweetness. Pour it into a bowl and mix it with the cinnamon. See? Told you it was easy. With just these 4 ingredients, you're all set to make something truly special. Now let's turn these 4 simple ingredients into cinnamon roll magic. Get ready to impress everyone with your baking skills. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the perfect temperature to get those cinnamon rolls just right. Now let's get to the dough. Roll it out on a floured surface. Make sure it's nice and even. Shape the dough into a rectangle, nice and flat. Next, brush it with melted butter. Don't be shy with the butter, it adds so much flavor. Then sprinkle a generous amount of cinnamon and sugar. This is where the magic happens. Roll it up tight like a sleeping puppy. Slice the roll into individual pieces. Aim for about an inch thick for each slice. This ensures they bake evenly and come out perfect. Place the slices in a baking dish, all snug and cozy. They should be touching but not too crowded. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You want them to be golden brown and bubbly. The aroma will be irresistible. While the rolls are baking, let's make a simple icing. Combine powdered sugar with a little milk. Stir until smooth. This icing will add the perfect finishing touch. Once the rolls are out of the oven and still warm, drizzle the icing over them. Watch as it melts into the rolls. Pure magic. Enjoy every bite of your homemade cinnamon rolls. Sticky dough? Dust your counter with flour. This simple trick will make your dough easier to handle and prevent it from sticking to your hands and rolling pin. Always keep a little extra flour on hand for those sticky situations. Want it sweeter? Add a touch of brown sugar. This not only enhances the flavor but also gives your rolls a beautiful caramelized finish. Experiment with different amounts to find your perfect sweetness level. Feeling adventurous? Use whole wheat dough or gluten-free. The possibilities are endless. Each type of dough brings its own unique texture and flavor. Try mixing different flours to create your own signature roll. So grab your ingredients, put on your apron, and get ready to bake some happiness. Baking is not just about the end result, but also about the joy of the process. Enjoy every step, from mixing to kneading to baking. You won't believe how easy it is to create these magical cinnamon rolls. Enjoy! The satisfaction of biting into a warm, gooey roll that you made yourself is unmatched. Share them with friends and family or savor them all to yourself.